there's weekend. So can you tell me an example, guys, please? Any of you, quien quiera el ejemplo. Aha, I must do my homework. Okay, aha, then Mariel Mitzi, another example, please. Okay, yeah, almost the same, but it's fine. With a different verb, right? Yeah, but that's fine. Never mind. No, that's fine, that's fine. You know you have to just say I must, then a verb, and the complement, right? So yeah. And Mariel, please, another example. I must play. Can you repeat the last part? Soccer. Yeah. Must is used for activities that are like an obligation to do. So play soccer could be if you are paid for it or something similar. So yeah, that's fine. Okay, so that part is not that difficult. Now, let's continue with this part over here. So we are going to read. So we are only three, so you have to read a little bit more today. So Mariel, can you start with this part here, please? Well, all of this. So the order will be Mariel, then Saul, and then Mitzi, please. Okay. Mhm. Ajá. Okay, remember this word is pronounced sus. Sus. Okay. And then this is huge. Este es un adjetivo, huge. O sea, nada más esta palabra. Y luego, cuando le agregas ese li, se vuelve un adverbio y se pronunciaría hugely. Ajá, hugely. Alike. Alike. Ajá, actually. Critics. Ajá, suffer. Yep. Yep. Ajá, and mentally. Mentally. This. Ah, enclosed. Ajá. Artificial. Environments. Ajá, deprivation. Eh, ok, recuerda, ¿cuál es la regla cuando una palabra termina con ed? Ajá, ¿y cuándo se pronuncia como et? Así como lo acabas de pronunciar, porque dijiste stressed. O sea, ese ed del final sí sonó como et, stressed. ¿Cuándo lo pronuncias así? Ajá, una T o una D. Aquí tienes una T o una D. Ajá, entonces, ¿cómo sería? Ajá, stressed. Y al final, es como si solo tuvieras esto. Esto, así, stressed. Ujú. Yep. Wild. Ajá. Behave. Ajá, unnaturally. Tricks. Ajá. Okay, may and then may die. Do you know what's die? ¿Sabes qué es esto? Die. Morir. May die decades, o sea, décadas. Ajá. Earlier. No. Este ya lo habíamos pronunciado. ¿Cómo se pronuncia esta? Que estaba aquí arriba. Wild. Yep. Suicide. And what about this verb? It's not tree. Try. Try. Se pronuncia try. Es intentar. Try. Yeah, that's something you should already know how to pronounce this verb try. Like, it's really common. Okay, so guys, do you have any questions about this paragraph here? Does anyone have a question? Split up. Aha, yeah, the normal form of this will be split up and means it's a phrasal verb, as you can see, and it means to separate. So they separate or they split up families. That's the meaning. Yep, you are welcome. Any other questions? Nope. Sure. Okay, so let's go now to the next paragraph, please, guys. So next will be, yeah, Saul, Mitzi, and then Fer, and then Mayra, please. So this is for you, Saul, please. Aha, environment. Yeah, circuses, exactly. Aha, abandoned. Abandoned. Aha, exactly, this is. Okay, yeah, perfect, thanks. So, any questions about this paragraph, guys? Illnesses. When you get sick or ill, you get an illness. And illnesses will be the plural. Enfermedades. No sé si viste aquí hace ratito que igual utilizaban la palabra ill here. Mentally ill. Como enfermos mentalmente, ¿no? O sea, como que se frustran mucho los animales. So, this ill es enfermo, el adjetivo. Illness es el sustantivo, o sea, la enfermedad. Y illnesses serían las enfermedades. So, yep, that's the meaning. Yep, you're welcome. Then, Mitzi, can you help me with this paragraph, please? Endangered. Yeah, exactly, species. No, it's okay. Sorry, this word is pronounced threatened. Threatened. The verb is threatened, obviously. And threatened es como ser amenazados. O sea, están siendo amenazados by poachers. Do you know what's poachers? That's a difficult word, poachers. Nope. Como cazadores, creo que se llaman furtivos, o sea, los que son como cazadores ilegales. The ones that hunt animals. So that's the meaning. Yeah, you can continue, please. Predators. Yeah, that's fine. Genetically. Yeah, okay, so this word here is pronounced safeguard. Casi no suena la U, safeguard. Then the difference between this word and this word here is that this is like the past participle. Subret. Subret. Do you have any idea what this verb means, guys? Does anybody know? Breed? Or do you know what, madam? Ajá, sí puede ser la raza, pero como verbo tiene otro significado. Podría ser es más como criar. So it says that a good zoo will enable this species to live and breed. O sea, que puedan reproducirse, que puedan criar ahí, ¿no? In a secure environment. That's what we're talking about. So, for example, in this part says, in addition, as numbers of some wild species drop, ¿cómo qué significaría aquí? ¿Qué se entiende? O sea, con este contexto, ¿qué se entendería? Es como que están disminuyendo, ¿no? Drop es caer, igual verbo. So we're talking about endangered species here, como especies en peligro, ¿no? De extinción. Endangered, en peligro. So, yeah, there are like breeding programs. O sea, hay programas para que se reproduzcan, breeding programs. And this subbred es como animales criados en el zoológico. Subbred animals. Todo esto, este es un como adjetivo compuesto. Los van a ver como muchas veces. Y ese es el significado aquí, ¿no? Subbred animals, como animales criados en zoológicos. Then you have released. Do you know what's the meaning for released? Or release the verb? Nope. What does this part mean? Esta parte como, ¿qué significaría? That subbred animals can be released into the wild to increase genetic diversity.
Como que
Ajá, en su ambiente natural, ¿no? Que sería in the wild, como, sí, en su vida salvaje, ¿no? To increase genetic diversity. Ajá, yeah, exactly. So, do you have any questions about this part? Nope. Roderick, but you just have come. You must have questions about this part. So, no, guys? Are you sure? Okay. So, then, I hope you are understanding, like, most part of it. So, let's continue now with the next. So, that's for Mayra, I think. Or who was next? Fer. And then Mayra, please. Thanks. Yeah, exactly. Perfect. So, yeah, this is not too difficult to understand, but even though, do you have any questions? Questions about vocabulary? Or anything? ¿Seguros que no tienen dudas, chicos, de algo? Es importante que cualquier palabra que no, um, como que no sepan bien, me pregunten para que vayan haciendo vocabulario, porque si no, no harán tanto vocabulario. So that's the important thing of reading. Nope. Like, just tell me. Willing? Yeah, so we have to take all this part, where some people are willing to pay a lot. En español no hay como una traducción directa, pero la idea viene de que will, o más bien sería como willness, es como cuando quieres hacer algo, como que estar dispuesto a hacer algo. Entonces, en este caso, some people are willing to, lo podríamos traducir como que la gente quiere o está dispuesta, en este caso, a pagar mucho dinero, ¿no? To pay a lot of money. Como estar dispuesto a hacer ese willing. Okay, perfect. So, any other questions? Like, for example, what's this fenced enclosure? Nope. A fence, the thing a fence, this word here, es como una valla. o sea, solito, ¿no? Ahorita tenemos fence enclosure que viene junto a esto. Aquí viene como adjetivizado, ¿no? Enclosure could be translated just like a place, just a place. So fence enclosure will be a place that is surrounded by fences. O sea, un lugar que está como rodeado de estas vallas, ¿no? O sea, un lugar vallado, un sitio vallado. That's the meaning. Then, any other questions? This word here, esta sí está como muy fácil tal vez, pero no sé si ya vieron qué significa o ya se dieron cuenta que es. Circuses. Do you guys? Yeah, exactly. A circus. Fine. So let's continue now with who was next? Mayra, please. You are next, I guess. Exactly, managed. Okay, yeah. So this word here looks a little bit difficult to pronounce, but let's separate it. This word here is understand, the verb, right? And then you have another word that's able by itself, but together you pronounce it as understandable, understandable, como entendible, okay? And then this word here, it's like impression, and if you put it with ing, will be impressioning, como encerrándolos, ¿no? So, any other questions about this paragraph? ¿Tienen alguna otra duda, chicos, de este párrafo o vamos bien? Nope. Are you sure? ¿Seguros, chicos, todos? ¿Mande? Nope. Okay, fine. So now, were you able to do this part? ¿Sí pudieron hacer esta parte? Que creo que tenían desde el lunes, ¿no? O algo así. O martes. Did you do it, guys, or no? This part. Yes? Okay. What about the others? You can tell me. No problem. Well, anyways. So, well, let's do it, or let's just feel this part. So, Mitzi, can you start reading number 1, please? Okay, perfect. So, is that true or false? False. Okay, good. Then, number 2, please. Who will be next? Roderick, can you read the next part, please? Is Roderick here? Yeah. Okay. Is that true? I don't know. You tell me. Sure. Yeah, what do you guys think? Is that true or false? Distress because they are separated. So actually that's here, right? So it says that capturing animals in the wild also causes much suffering by splitting up families. So actually we can take the answer from here too. So it says that this deprivation causes many zoo animals to become stressed. Not distressed, but stressed. O sea, distressed es como, o sea, que no se estresan, que están tranquilos, ¿no? Stressed es pues estresados. So this is false because when they are separated, they become stressed, not distressed. Okay. Then the next, please, Fer. False. They live more, right? Okay, how do you pronounce this verb? Yeah, live, live. Yep. Okay, perfect. Then, Mayra, can you read the next, please? It's false. I'm not sure. Actually, I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Where can we find that answer? It's here, I guess. So, well, people who have visited zoos are more likely to support animal conservation and protection. So that's true, right, guys? Or isn't it? What do you think, guys? True or false? True, right? Okay, then Mariel, can you read number 5, please? Scientific research. So is that true or false? I don't know, you tell me. False? Where's the answer? Okay. Okay, zoos protect animals from being used for scientific research. So let's check. Where can you find that answer, guys? This is false because they say that zoos also carry out important research into subjects like animal behavior and how to treat illnesses. So they study animals. So scientific research is not bad because if you study animals, then you know how they behave and how to cure them, right? So these will be false. Then who's next, please? Number 6. Exactly, that's false. Okay, then number 7, please. Okay, in their natural habitats, animals suffer problems related. Exactly. Then number 8, please. Saul, I guess you're next, please. Number 8. Nope. Then Roderick. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You. Yeah. Right. The next is Roderick, right? But yeah, you can do it. You can do it. Please. Hmm? What's lack? Maybe that's the problem for this question. Lack. Lack es como falta de. O sea, often lack es como normalmente tienen falta de. Y ya esto. Generic diversity, ¿no? La diversidad genética. Remember, endangered species are the ones that are in danger, of course, of disappearing. False? I guess this will be true, but let's check here. Where were we talking about endangered species? Okay, can you repeat that, please? An increased danger of populations becoming too genetically similar. Yep, so they are becoming genetically similar, right? O sea, ya hace falta más diversidad, ¿no? Entonces, ¿qué sería? Ajá, o sea, sí les falta más diversidad genética, ¿no? Es verdad eso que les falta, right? Perfect. Now, number 9. Roderick, that will be for you, please. Number 9. Releasing. This is releasing. Uh-huh. True. Okay, let's check. So it says that zoos promote genetic diversity by breeding animals, o sea, los reproducen y promueven que haya diversidad genética, and then they release them into the wild. So that, I guess, is almost in the last paragraph, like in this part. So I guess they say they not release them into the wild. Yeah, let's check this part here. No, yeah, the answer is here actually. So a good zoo will enable, este de enable es como habilitar, o sea, como que hace posible these species to live and breed in a secure environment. But they don't mention something about releasing them until here. So breeding programs provide a safeguard. Super animals can be released into the wild to increase genetic diversity. So this is half true and half false, right? because they promote it by releasing them. So yeah, actually no, yeah, it's true because they say bye. So yep, that's fine. And then we have some questions here. So we are going to answer them like really fast. So guys, what do you think about zoos? Are they good or nope? What do you think? Why? Endangered. Exactly. Yeah, they keep the animals. Yeah, exactly. So they keep them enclosed, right? It's a really a small place. Yeah. So animals are like always in the same space. They don't have um, more space to run or to do the activities they are used to, like when they are in the wild. So yeah, that's a nice answer. What about the others? What do you think, guys? Are zoos good or no? Who was next? Fer, can you give me an answer for that question, please? Thanks. Nope. So let's say it depends on the zoo, but I don't like them, right? Okay, yeah. Well, in a lot of more words, but that's fine. Thanks, Fer. Then, Mayra, do you think that animals live a better life there? It means like in the zoos. Why? Yeah, in closed spaces. Yeah. Yeah, I think the same. It's not nice because it depends on the zoos, as Fer says. Um, for example, Mexico City zoos, I don't think they treat the animals too well. You can see lions too skinny, or you can see elephants like they are not too big as normal elephants. So I guess they have a lack of food. But on the other hand, if you go to any other zoos, like for example in another countries, you can see animals that are like bigger and they have more energy, more space. So it depends on the zoos, right? Then let's continue with question number three, Mariel. That's for you, please. So, can animals behave naturally in zoos? Guys, what's behave? Before we answer, do you know what's behave? Ajá, de hecho es comportarse. So, ajá, can animals behave? O sea, se pueden comportar naturalmente, o sea, de forma normal in zoos. Yeah, do you think so? Yeah, it depends. It depends on what. No, yeah, it's according to you. What do you think? Do you think animals behave normally or naturally in zoos? Why? Tell me what you think. ¿Por qué crees eso? O sea, dime lo que piensas. But in English, of course, in English. Ya utilizamos mucho esa palabra, enclosed, here. Esto es como encerrado. Yeah, it's not normal, right, to be enclosed. Yeah, imagine a lion. A lion usually runs like really fast and a lot. They walk a lot. So in zoos they cannot walk or run or hunt. No pueden ni cazar, ni correr, ni moverse, ni nada, no. So the answer will be no, and then what you just said. Then let's talk about number 4. So is people being educated when they go to zoos? What do you think about that, Saul? I didn't hear you. Yeah, talk. Tell me. Sí, un poquito cortado, pero sí.